Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the nested screen with the bottom tabs using the Expo route. You will be understand how the layout works, how the nested happen automatically, how to structure your app properly. This is the most knowing concept if you are building the real app with the Expo route. Let's get started. So this is my project. You can see, let me close these all apps, screens, and the first screen we have a layout screen. So for this, for the bottom tabs, we need to create a one other folder with the name of the bottom tabs like this. We are going to make a group, and then we are going to move these screen to the tab folder one by one like this. And let me also, and this is also, and also the index screen. Let me move this screen also. So we just move these screens, and let me reload it again. So now you can see we seen these screen in the bottom tabs. Now you can see we have seen the spaces also. So for that, I'm going to create a one file with the name of the layout.tsx, and just like this, and make it like this. Just import your stack route, and just import your tab also like this, and save it. So now you can see we just make a one group of the tabs, and then we create a one layout file. Inside the layout file, we just import the stack. Inside the stack, we just render the tabs. So now we can add the other nested screen also. So now I'm going to app. So if I create the one folder with the name of the my home, let me create it, my home screens. And if I create a one file with the name of the my home screens and .tsx, and let me import these things. If I save it, if you want to navigate from the first screen to the my home screen, so for that, just find your first screen, and this is my first screen, and just we have a link tag from the Expo route, and just we have a other thing also like href, and just we are going to navigate to this screen, and just type the push, and you can also just type the home screen. So when you click to the home screen, we are going to navigate to this screen. You can see. And so now you notice one thing, we have a two header. So for this, I'm going to the layout of the tabs. Inside the tab, we have a screen options, and in this we have a header shown. Just make it false and save it. So now you can see, and we add also the nested screen also, you can see like this. And we can add other screen also if you want to add other screen also, like if I add the profile screens, and just add one more screen, profile screens .tsx, and just add it. If you want to navigate to from home screen to the profile screen, just come here and just import the link from the Expo, and wrap your all the thing, and just type the href tag, and we have a profile screen, and just add the push, and also as child. And when I click to this home screen, I will navigate to the my profile screen like this, you can see, and just go back. So like this, we can make a group of the tabs and the other screen also. In the next video, I'm going to show you how can we manage the auth stack and main stack, like a session login, session logout. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.